Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes.
Yeah. Hare Krishna Prabhu. Dandavat Prabhu. So, you are telling that each one of us think ourselves as body. I think I am man, other think as another woman, like that. So, in material world, even in spiritual world also,
Huh?
even in spiritual world also,
Ah.
we think I'm a gopa or other person is a cow, another person is a tree. But maybe basis is servant of Krishna, but we think our ego is different. I act and I work as gopa, I work as cow, like that. So how is it different from material world and spiritual world, Prabhu?
How?
How is it different from material world and spiritual world? That calling ourselves as the body.
Yeah, in the spiritual world, everything is limitless. If Krishna wills, you can play 5-10 roles also. All bodies are spiritual. We are limited here in this material world. If you take off little of those limitation and see, imagine, remove the limitations. That I am fixed in one body. Remove that limitation. That will be the nature of your spiritual body. But here, to change one body to another body, you have to give up the body. Correct? But there, imagine the body energy, spiritual energy. The same body can transform into another body. Even in the material world, demons have that power, no? Utana changed her body. So technically it is possible. She became a beautiful young woman. Her body transformed. Then by mystic power she can do. So in the spiritual world also with devotion, for Krishna's work, if I attend, I can take many forms. So therefore it is said that in the spiritual world, how it is, you should not analyze by the limited understanding of name, form, potencies, etc. We will do mistake in analysis and we will feel, hey, what is this here? I stuck in one body there. At least in this material world, one life, I can have different bodies. Looks like in the spiritual world, I get stuck in one body. Right? Not very exciting. Better I like this. I'll be in different bodies, one life. The very fact that you can take different material bodies means that you have got the potential to, your spiritual body has got the potential to, without going through this material prakriti, there's a spiritual prakriti, there are spiritual laws. Internal energy and external energy. And external energy is governing the nature, how you can change your spiritual body. Just giving you an idea how our limited thinking cannot answer these things.